Hey, what is up, guys? It's TransIron38 coming at you with some more Transformers botbots review. And today we're taking a look at a whole big case of Transformers botbots Series 1, the 24 count box of from Series 1 of the Transformers single pack, the Transformers botbots single packs, the blind single packs. There's not only just 24 in here, there's a total of 36. I was able to fit a couple other loose ones in here, so this will be a total of 36 in this box. I will recount them just in case, but again, what could you do, guys? What could you do? But anyway, I got my Awesome Con cup here, full of Surge. Well, it's not full Surge, not all the way. But anyway, this will be a nice big review. Hopefully not too long for you guys. But I do have just the box set here. And then I also, these will be a separate review. I got 3 8-packs. I got the Greaser Gang, the Jock Squad one, and another Greaser Gang right here. So I got 3 8-packs. We'll set them off to the side, like so. And I also got 2 of the 5-packs, and this one here was on clearance because someone had sticky fingers at the store. So, anyway, I got 2 of these. There's a Toilet Troop and the Techie Team. These are the 5-packs. These will be I will do individual reviews of these for your liking. And also, not all of it. Just give you guys a heads up on coming up soon. Here is the other box that I have. Has 39 in it. This is another 24-pack. This is Series 2 of the Transformers botbots. And I have 39 single packs in that. And I also picked up 3 of the 5-packs of the Transformers botbots Series 2. I got the Music Mob, Backpack Bunch, and Shedheads 5-pack. So these guys will be getting reviewed later on. So definitely, I'm actually saving this box here, this box set here. I'll probably end up doing these first, but I'm ended up doing this box. I want to do this box set with Prime John 1 and Web Junior 1977 because these are a lot of botbots. So definitely we'll set that off to the side. But anyway, we'll focus on Series 1. Try to finish my Series 1 checklist, shall we? So, speaking of checklist, I better make sure I go get my checklist. Got to make sure you have the checklist. I got my checklist here from my good buddy Prime John 1 printed this out for me. And then I got my baggie full of Series 1 botbots. And there is a total of 33 in this one. So, not 33, 38, my bad. But anyway, we'll get to do that for another video, like a collection update video. And we'll check it off on this, not this video. But any new botbot I get, I'll set off to the side. If I get a double, it's going to sit off to the side. Now, if I get a new one, it's going to sit here, and we'll do a little review of it as we do this. So, anyway. So, here's your typical packaging. You got the Transformers botbots. You can just move this up and accordion this back. And this becomes the display stand in the store. So, now it's official now. There's Transformers botbots. Alright. So, anyway, right off the bat, some of these are actually, me and Prime John 1 actually pre-opened. This one's not open. Pre-opened to see what we had. But I just wanted to do this whole review because me and him's trying to collect them too at the same time. Me and him both were doing trading back and forth. Anyway, here's your single pack. You just Transformers Series botbots 1. And this one's unpunched. You just pull this up. And there's like a little number underneath there. It's 19M. So, who's this guy? I don't have him. Here he is. I do believe he is Professor something. Come on. Anyway, we'll throw the junk off to the side here. Get the booklet out here. And what do we have here? We got Professor Well-Read. Got your little mini checklist here. I'm not going to go through it. He is a super intelligent bookworm. Alright, it shows you how to transform him and everything. So we'll send him off to the side. That's a little book. Alright, that goes off to the side and you pull his legs down. Good thing I got a pair of tweezers with me this time. Some of these guys are stiff. There we go. Anyway, that's how you get him. There's Professor Well-Read. Very cool. So we got Professor Well-Read. I know I don't have him. So, bravo for that. Close the book back up. Alright, there's Professor Well-Read. We'll send him back here. Alright. Next up is another one here. Alright, this one's unpunched. This one here is 13M. Might be a double. Alrighty. Root Wing, I do believe. Yep. Root Wing. Here's a double. Alright, the doubles will be sitting off to the side. Alright. Next up is another one. They're just going to fall out because there's 36 of them here. Alright. Open this up. 16M. I do believe this is another. Nope. Different character. Looks like we got Slobberrock. Slobberrock. I already got him. Alright. So there's another double. I'll end up like taking them to the toy shows and selling them to the little kiddos. Give them something nice or just give them out. Anyway, next one. Bring this up. There's nothing printed on this one. Yeah, bring this up. And there's Slippy Slurp, which I recently reviewed. There's a double right there, Slippy Slurp. Alright, this one here was already opened by Prom John 1. Alrighty, there's Frost Ferratu, the Cupcake Vampire. Got him. And Prom John 1 got him. Next up is another one. Of course, right? This one here is a 20M. And Snippy Snap. Do I have Snippy Snap? No, I don't. So right there, Snippy Snap. Alright. Used a pair of scissors. Actually do not have Snippy Snap. So yeah. Yeah, here we go. Book for this. He is a fast-moving scissors jokester. Fast-moving scissor jokester. Alright, there's your pair of scissors. Transform them. Funny looking. Snippy Snap. Scissors. Alright. Finally got him. Alright, there's a new guy. There's your scissors. So I'm back here with Professor Well-Read. This one here is cracked, but it's not punched. So, let's open it up. Oh, wow. This one here has no botbot in it at all. So, what happened here? So, this must have been, since it's cracked, someone probably took the botbot out of it. FOMO, which I already have, so, again, what could you do? What could you do? So, there's a one that we already reviewed. Alright. Come with another one here. Alright. And here's one we don't got. Here we got. I do believe he's from the Jock Squad. Come on. He is Kid Clobber. Bruising boxing glove. Very neat. Kid Clobber. Alright. Kid Clobber. Transform him. Fit this up. Arm over. Oh, arm over. There's a little feet. Come down, I think. Get the little tweezers in here. Get his feet to come down. There's Kid Clobber. He's a boxing glove. A black eye and a missing tooth. So he's a boxing glove. Alright, we'll send him back here with the other two. Next up is another one. Of course. This one here is not punched. Alrighty. Don't know what number that one's supposed to be. Alright, another Frostferatu. Alright, the Cupcake Vampire strikes again. Give me a drink of Surge. Open this up. 18M. I think we already got this one. Nope. I do believe it's Dimlet. Dimlet. Already got him. Previously reviewed him. So. Alright. Next up is another one. Okay, this was pre-opened. Now we don't have him. It's the Corn Dog. Yeah. He's from the Greaser Gang. Come on. Alright. Sup Dog is his name. Sup Dog. He's from the Greaser Gang. Corny Corn Dog. Corny Corn Dog. Alright, flip that up. Try to flip his arms out. I have to get tweezers for this. There we go. And his legs just split apart. Corny Corn Dog. Sup Dog. Get a little bit of ketchup on there. That's funny. That is funny. Put that back together. And he's the Corn Dog. Well, he's just going to have to sit back there like that for right now. Alright, next up. This one here is not punched. This one here is 15M. Might be a different guy. And it is. Oh, yeah. And I do believe his name is Fungus. You know, he's a fungus. Alrighty. Here we go. He's part of the Shedheads gang. Fun-loving mushroom. That's funny. Fun-loving mushroom. Just open these panels up. Like that. Bring his helmet up. Bring it back. Fungus. Fun-loving mushroom. That's funny. Oh, yeah. There we go. There's Fungus. Alright. Set him back here with the rest of them. Another not unpunched one. 14M. Oh, don't got him. Here we go. Venus Frog Trap. I do believe that's his name. That's another new one right here. We're getting into the new ones, finally. Yep, Venus Frog Trap. Hungry Venus Flytrap Frog. That's funny. And he's part of the Shedheads. Alright. What I have to do, I guess you lean him. Get his feet down. I guess. Get that. Alright, I think I transformed him right. Yep. That's funny. Venus Frog Trap. Alright. He's a new one out of the shed heads I don't have. Cool. Next up, this one here is already punched. Might be a double. Yeah. It's Coco Crazy, which is a double. Coco Crazy. This one here don't have a number on it. What's this one? Batsby. I know I don't have him. Oh, yeah. Get the booklet out here. Try not to make this too long for you guys. Probably end up doing a part 1 and part 2 of these. So, Baseball Home Run King is Batsby. And he's part of the Jock Squad. Flip this up. Well, I need tweezers for this. Get his hands out of here. Come on. Don't help it whenever I have. There we go. These guys do have some nice hard plastic to them. Just trying to transform these guys. Let me spread his legs. Batsby. Home Run King baseball bat. That's funny. Alright, get the baseball bat. Next up, this one here's already punched. Might be an extra. Another Slobber Rock. Alright, next one. This one's not unpunched. Another Batsby. Okay. Just got done doing a Batsby. Cool. There's an extra one. I knew Prom John 1 needed one of him, I think. Up here. Spud Muffin, which we previously reviewed. Alright. Alright, there's another guy I don't have. He's part of the Greaser Gang. He's a fountain drink, I do believe. Part of the Greaser Gang. I'll do this guy here, and this will probably be just part 1 for you guys. I'm going to do 2 parts. I'm not going to make it too long for you guys. And get his feet out. Alright, that's how you transform him. And his name is Twerple Burple. Alright. He is a soda cup class clown. Alright. So there he is. Twerple Burple. Alright. Alright guys, this is just only half of the box so far. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 more of these. So, I'm going to end up stopping the video here for you guys. It's coming up on 20 minutes. So, this is part 1 of the Transformers BotBots single packs unboxing. Stay tuned for this part 2. This Trans Aaron 38 out.